So today we have one more problem with us, and that is a triangular park has sides. So one is 120 meter. See, this is 120. Then we have 80 and then we have 50. So 120, 50 and 80 meters. So first we are going to note down what all things are given in this problem. So first let me write given. So we have the value of A. Suppose it is 120 meter. Then we have 80 and 50. Suppose let it be B. And this is 80 meter. Then we have C, that is 50 meter. So what we are going to find out is the area of the plant. Okay. Yeah. The area of the plant as well as the cost of fencing. Okay. So before doing all that, let me write what all things we need. So first we need area of triangle. Don't forget this in your exam. That is 1/2 base into height. That is your normal formula. Okay, but we are not using this one. So what are we going to use? Heron's formula. So we are going to write 1/2. No, we are going to write that. We are going to write root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. This is our Heron's formula. And what is the value of s? S is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. So I hope now you are clear with the formulas. So now what we are going to use is, we are going to use this formula right now. So what I am going to write here is s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. Then which values do we have from this formula? We have these three values. Okay, so there is no need to write it again here. While in your exam you just have to think what you need and you can refer from your this thing. You don't have to go back to the question. You have to be clear with what you need to find out and the values and the formulas that you're going to apply. This formula is not required. Okay, this is your Heron's formula. Okay, this is the value of s. So let us put these things into here. From there we will find out what s. So let's do it. How it would be? S is equal to, what is the value of a? It is 120. So we're going to write 120 plus, we have again 80, then we have what? 50. So after writing, this becomes like this. Then what you do is you cross multiply it. So you get 2s 120 plus 80 plus 50. Then if you don't need to cross multiply, this is what it is written in the NCERT book. This is written like this. So just for reference I wrote it. Okay. If you don't do it this way, it's fine. You still can do what? S is equal to 120 plus 80 plus 50 by 2. Just calculate it. You will get what? The value of s. From the value of s, what can you calculate? You can calculate the area of triangle. From area of triangle, you will get what? The area she need to plan that you will get from applying the value of s. Okay. So now 120 plus 80 plus 50 is what? 250. Now what is 250 by 2? So we have s is equal to what? 125 meter. So let's then substitute the value of s, b and c and a in this whole equation. So what do we get? You can directly write area of what? You can write area of plant or area of triangle. Okay, so I'm going to write area of triangle, or you can write area of plant. Both are correct, significant to the question. So we have what? Area of triangle. So what do we write here? It is root of, what is the value of s? 125. So 125 minus, what do you have? 120. Okay. Let's just write it again. That's the best thing. So we'll write area of triangle is equal to root of 125. 125 minus 120. 125 minus 80, and we have 125 minus 50. So calculating this, we get what? Area of. So 125 minus 120 is what? 5. Then we have 125 minus 80. So this is 45. Then we have 125 minus 50. So that is 75. Then you have to find out what would be the answer. So solving this, we get what? 375 into root 15 meter square. So this is the area of triangle or the area of plant. Then we need to find out what? The cost of fencing. So what is the cost per meter? It is rupees 20. Okay, so let me write cost of fencing. So now what do we know? We know the complete area and we know per meter price. Okay, but in the figure you can see, okay, if you closely see, there is a 3 meter gap for gate. So from the total value of S, not S, sorry, from the value of perimeter, this value, this is the value of perimeter. From the perimeter, we will substitute 3. So what do we get? So we need to substitute what? To get the place completely, we need to substitute. It is 250. So we need to substitute 250 minus 3. 4. Gate we are substituting. So how much do we get? 250 minus 3. We get what? We get 247 meter. This is our perimeter. Now for cost of fencing, we need to find rupees 20 per meter is the cost. Cost per meter. Okay, so what do we do here? We just do total cost or cost of fencing equal to what? 247 into 20. We get the value in rupees. So we get the value in rupees, that is 4940. So the whole question has been done. And in this 250 is what? Perimeter. It is not the area, sorry, it is perimeter, that is A plus B plus C by 2, and that value we have already has 250 meter. But I already rounded here. You can directly write here and do it. Then this 247 meter is the what? The length of wire which we actually need for the gate. From there we are actually finding out how much rupees we got, that is 4940. Okay.